Good morning, Rax. Today is Thursday, April 30th, which makes today National Honesty Day. So that's what we got. Three big things continue for this week for the most part. Again, get your photos into Dolan of things throughout the year or things going on at this time of your life, masks and all that, just to kind of chronicle into the yearbook. The Counselor Connect series still up and running. Complete the survey, and it says Thursday, please make some progress on a project that matters to you. Maybe some schoolwork that you need to get done or that you failed to do. Ask the teachers for help. We're here for you. And remember that the career day and the career guidance pieces will be tomorrow. So we will bring you more information on that in tomorrow's morning announcements. And tomorrow, Laskowski will be coming around and collecting items from you. So if you have uniform, jerseys, equipment, fundraising stuff, let him know. Let him know where you live. He'll come pick it up, and we'll get that taken care of. Only birthday we got today is Vinay Johnson. Hi, Vinay. Happy birthday to Vinay. And happy birthday to Mrs. K the other day. Just found that one out, but I don't get the listing for that. So happy birthday to Kreisky. That's all we got for today. Keep on trucking, everybody.